back to 20 car. From the first glance, the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus Unofficial Concept dazzles with a silhouette that whispers elegance and bellows authority. Its satin liquid chrome grille, embedded with interactive lighting pulses, welcomes you like a spaceship touching down. The ultra-slim digital laser headlights stretch into the fenders, while the floating roof design and sweeping LED blade across the rear demand double takes. Aerodynamically honed vents and turbine-inspired 23-inch wheels enhance both drama and drag efficiency. Interior specifications. Inside, the cabin is a symphony of modern opulence and tech marvels. A seamless 48-inch curved OLED display runs across the dash, controlled via haptic glass surfaces. Crystal knobs, vegan suede upholstery, and a full panoramic roof flood the interior with a calming, starlit ambience. Lincoln's WhisperZone cabin tech uses adaptive noise cancelling that literally mutes the outside world. Competitors. Pitted against the BMW X5, Audi Q8, and Lexus RX, the Nautilus concept excels with its futurism-first philosophy. While others refine tradition, Lincoln reinvents it, offering an unmatched blend of tranquility and technological theater. Price. Expected to start at $68,000, the Nautilus punches above its weight with features normally found in $90K plus vehicles. Ownership costs. Projected yearly costs sit around $5,500, factoring in premium insurance, advanced driver assist calibrations, and battery warranty for its mild hybrid variant. Driving experience. Glide, don't drive, every motion is deliberate yet silky. The steer-by-wire and active suspension system make cornering feel like carving air with a feather.